Enjoy the privacy of your own screened swimming pool. Totally remodeled and beautifully furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Open and bright, high ceilings, split floor plan. Fabulous eat-in kitchen with white cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and large eating bar. Dining area off of kitchen. Sliding doors from kitchen, living room and master bedroom open to a screened pool and patio. Oversized master suite with huge walk-in closet. Shower and double vanity in master bath. Additional bedroom is quite generous sized. Fenced, laundry room, 1-car garage. Quiet location. Required to move in, first and 2 months security $3,200 each. $100 HOA application. $250 refundable HOA deposit. $250 non-refundable pet deposit. Community pool, clubhouse, tennis courts. Easy access to I-95, Florida Turnpike and beaches. Walk to shopping and restaurants. Benefit from Martin County's A-rated schools. This is a terrific furnished house and you'll enjoy living here.